Hello sir, open your code, select all and copy. Now open this link, I sent it already. Click paste your code in the first section here. Paste here. Now click on match slots. When you click here, some fields appear like that. Title, photo 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Description and this box for photos too. So starting from title, simply copy your title. I will open your any product like this one. Simply copy, paste. Now for image click to image, then right click and copy image address. Remember, copy image address, copy and paste. For second image, copy image address, copy and paste, copy and paste. Now if you have 3 images, 4 images or 5 images, if you have 5 images, then check all of these 5 boxes. Otherwise uncheck the empty box, like this have no, you have only 3 images, so I will check these two, and also you have to check these two too. If you have 4 images, here you need to check 4. If you have 3 images, here you need to check 3. Here if you have 1 image, here you need to check only 1. So it's work together. So for description, simply copy your description text, like this one. I will copy your description, copy. Now open this tool. This tool we use to convert the text into HTML. So paste here your description. You can write here also. If you can add anything, you can write here. Now click on HTML. When you click here, this code is ready. You need to copy this code, copy and paste in description section here. So when everything is done, like title, images and description, so simply click on make HTML. When you click here, this code is ready for eBay. So if you want to test it how it's look like that, simply click on preview. When you click here, your template will be preview, description, images and other details. I hope you understand. Thanks.